Remember when you said, when things get crazy, don't push me away. I know something's wrong. Whatever it is, I'm here for you.
I trust you.
I don't know why, but I do.
Trust makes you do strange things. You lose your breath every time they enter a room. Your heart beats faster when they walk by. Your skin tingles when they stand close enough to feel their breath. I guess that's why I haven't opened my heart up for almost 100 years. Then I met you.
Someday, someone will come along who will tear down those walls you've built around your heart. And when that love comes back to you, you must do everything in your power to fight for it.
And all for a town, Walter.
I always knew I couldn't have what I wanted. Until you came along.
You wouldn't know what to do with love if you found it.
Is it from someone special?
I think so.
Or do you think you already have?
Sometimes I lose control. You're not the only one that feels vulnerable. True love cannot die.
But people can.
I never wanted you to see this terrible, ugly side of me. You're beautiful.
There's nothing ugly about you.
You're beautiful.
You're an all-powerful warlock.
I'm the High Warlock of Brooklyn.
You can summon demons.
I summon thee.
Lived through centuries of war. And you're immortal. What scares you?
You. Alexander. Magnus.
You don't do well losing those you love.
Please come back. You can't get rid of me that easily.
Magnus, I don't think I can live without you.
But you and me,
we always seem to find our way back to each other.
a wise man once told me,
I hear that.
relationships take effort.